welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another makeup tutorial finally. I'm gonna be doing like a get ready with me, not really like a formal makeup tutorial, because I do want to chit chat and catch you guys up on what's been going on, why I've been gone, and all that stuff. But yeah, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to moisturize my face, and I'm gonna be using the Murad Hydration Nutrient Charged Water Gel. This is what it looks like. One of the guys at Ulta recommended this to me. He was helping me out with like finding my foundation color and stuff like that, and then he was like, well, if you like that foundation, you should definitely try out this moisturizer. And he told me that I can use this as a primer also, but I don't know, I just like to prime anyways. So yeah, that's that. So I just kind of like rub it all over, and it's like a gel texture, which I love. And yeah, I've been loving it a lot, and I just noticed that my face feels a little more like supple and smoother and softer than usual, so I like that. And I used to have a lot of dry patches around my nose, and that's gone. So I really do recommend this. I think it is a little bit pricey though. I don't remember how much it is. I want to say it's in the $60 range. So next thing we're gonna do is prime our face. I'm gonna be using the Smashbox Photo Finish primer. Let me know if you guys have any favorite primers that you guys would recommend, because honestly I had the Benefit Professional, I cannot find it. Next, I am going to be mixing my NARS Natural Radiant Foundation in Stromboli M3 with my, where is that? With my Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage in 220 Natural Beige. The NARS one is a little bit more radiant, and the Superstay one is more matte. I kind of like want something in between today, that's why I'm mixing the two. And also the color for the Maybelline is not really my color. I've gotten so light in the winter. You guys know I don't self tan, but I get super dark in the summer. So all right, and then I'm just gonna use my Dose of Colors beauty sponge. Oh shoot, I forgot. I have a mirror that I can look closer. So I'm gonna look this way for a little bit, okay? These two foundation mixed together is just so bomb. Like, wow. I know a lot of you guys miss me for my makeup tutorial, and you guys subscribe to me for my makeup tutorial, but I've been posting more of like a lifestyle stuff, like vlogs, and especially workout stuff. I know some of you guys subscribe to me for my workout stuff also, like you guys found me through my more recent like workout videos and whatnot. But you know what, guys, honestly, I'm gonna say it right here right now, I'm going to post everything that I enjoy. So it's not just gonna be like strictly a makeup channel. My channel has never been really like a strictly like one thing, because it's always been makeup, fashion, vlog, like, but lately I've been into fitness more, and that's why I decided to upload some, since a lot of you guys enjoy that also. So, and you guys were curious on how I lost weight and stuff like that, and what I eat in a day. So that's why. But if you're strictly here for my makeup tutorials, then you know, just click on my makeup tutorials only. And I promise I'll be posting those more, or these more often also. I am using the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Longwear Concealer in light beige. I really want to be more active on my channel, and I would love to just upload a little bit of everything. I want to share more with you guys, like vlogs, like my daily life stuff, like mukbangs. I also enjoy doing mukbangs once in a while. I know some of you guys hate mukbangs, but you know, it is what it is. I would love for my channel to really express and to really show who I am, and that is why I'll just upload whatever I like, you know, whatever I enjoy, because it's my channel. And I do appreciate you guys who always stick around even when I'm not consistent with my stuff. I've been just going through a lot, especially this year. Good stuff, a lot of blessings. If you guys didn't know, I do own Shop Secret Boutique, and I had to focus on that for a little while because it was getting really busy. We got a warehouse, we were moving to the warehouse, and just a lot of stuff going on behind the scenes that you guys don't see. And you guys know that recently, like, we moved to this new place, and yeah, just a lot of stuff, and things were just getting so busy for me, so hectic, that I did not have time to just be in front of the camera. And if I didn't want to fake it with you guys, you know. I was stressing out for a little bit, and I don't want to just be fake. But you guys know that I was still on Instagram. Oh, by the way, I was setting my makeup with the RCMA makeup no color powder. It's bomb. I like this more than the Laura Mercier. The Laura Mercier actually makes me look cakey as heck, and this is good and lightweight. I love that. But anyways, next I am going to be using my Born This Way concealer in the color Butterscotch, and I'm just gonna be cream contouring. I've been doing this a lot lately. I like this color, it's more warm. And then I like to blend it out with my Makeup Shack brush. There's no name on it, but that's what it looks like, and I kind of just like swirl it around. And this concealer goes a long way, guys. As you can see, that little stripe covers like this whole cheek and more. I like to blend it up onto my temple also. If you hear my mom singing in the background, she's talking to Cadence. But yeah, a lot has been going on, you guys. Again, I'm so sorry for the glare. I have like a window right over here that has, you know, the little, yeah. But anyways, I'm just everywhere. I haven't filmed in a long time, so I'm not used to it anymore. Okay, so next I'm gonna be using my Urban Decay Stay Naked the Fix Powder in 50 WY. It's already broken, so sad. Ah! Yeah. And then I just kind of like set this all over, and I think this is the Makeup Shack brush also. I think people use this for like foundation and stuff, but I like using this for my powder because it just provides such a full coverage. And I know I will get a lot of questions about my tee right here. Not tee, this is my long sleeve shirt. This is from my boutique, Shop Secret Boutique. If you guys didn't know, I always leave all the links down in the description box below, so girl, check it out. I'm gonna be using the Benefit Hoola bronzer with my Morphe R7 brush. I know this is new. I haven't really been updating you guys on my like makeup routine. I haven't uploaded a makeup tutorial or makeup video at all in a while, actually. And I apologize if I'm rambling so much in this video, because I just feel like I owe it to you guys. I need to talk to you guys and catch you guys up on what's been going on. Next, I'm using the Waka Waka Mineral Baked Bronzer from Il Makiage. And I'm just gonna use this kind of almost like a blush. It is also a bronzer, obviously, but it's more of like warmer. I like using that as a blush because I like to look like hella bronze, you know. I'm gonna be using, excuse the nastiness, I Love Sarai I Love Sarai and Dose of Colors highlighter in Soulmate. It is limited edition, so I'm not sure if it's still in stock, but this thing is so blinding. I always like ditch it every once in a while, and then I just go back to it every single time. Like, wow, you guys, if you guys are ever wondering what highlight I use, this is it. Like, you just need the tiniest bit and boom, you are just blinding the whole earth. Oh my gosh, the glare is so annoying. I'm so sorry, you guys, but I just did my brows and finished up with my nose contour and stuff. So now, before I start on my eyes, I am going to be using the Morphe Set and Fresh Mist. Oh my gosh, this glare is driving me crazy. This is the Too Faced Gingerbread Extra Spicy Palette. This is what it looks like. Super pretty, huh? Of course, it's right up my alley. So first, I'm gonna take the color Butterscotch right here. Put that all over the crease. Wow, that's a pretty color. Just gonna buff it all over the crease. And I'm sorry if I'm looking this way. It's because I have my mirror right here. But yeah, honestly, I do need to get my creative juices flowing again. Okay, next I'm gonna take Gingerbread Glam, which is just a brown right here. I really do need to start doing that. And I'm just gonna pop it on the outer corner. Ooh, it's really pigmented. So yeah, I'm excited to be filming more looks for you guys again. It is pretty pigmented, so be careful. I wasn't expecting it to be hella pigmented, but yeah. All these colors are, I mean, it is Too Faced. Like, who are we kidding here? Alright, next I'm going to take a darker brown, which is Cookie Call. And excuse my nails. I just ripped off all of my fake nails. I just can't. Like, I don't know how some of y'all be having like long nails all the time. I personally use my hands a lot. Like, I'm such a hands-on person, and I also have cadence that I have to take care of all the time. And you know, like Secret Boutique, constantly just using my hands, and I feel like I cannot have nails, and it sucks because I want to look cute, you know, but nope, they're just not for me. If anything, I'll try again with maybe shorter nails. And I'm bad at keeping up with stuff like that, so bad. I hate going to places, like I hate having to go to the nail salon every so often, you know, like damn. But I am who I am, and I'll forever will have ratchet nails, forever and ever. Next, I am going to be taking a Candy Queen, which is this cute little sparkly color. I'm just gonna use my finger, just pop it right on top on my lid. Oh, it's really pigmented once again. Like a cute little bronzy color. I love it. I actually haven't used like sparkly color in a long time. I've just been doing mattes lately, especially when I had my eyelash extension. I just kept my makeup super, you know, simple. So I'm just gonna highlight my inner corner, and I always use this white color from the Ofra highlighter. You guys can use any white that you like, or your highlighter even, but I personally love this one because it's so intense. AKW lip liner in nude 2.5. I personally like my lip liner to be a little darker. So I like to kind of fill in a little bit. Since I overline, I need to like kind of blend. I'm gonna be using the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in Girlfriend. So I just kind of did a little, kind of tap it out. And that's basically it. Okay, so I feel like my eyes are a little bit too orange up here. So just one quick last touch before I go. I'm gonna use this color right here from the Jacqueline and Morphe palette, and I'm just gonna go over it because I want it to be a little bit more like brownie rather than super like orange, if that makes sense. But this is what the finished look looks like. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it, and again, I do apologize if I was rambling on way too much, but I don't know, I just miss talking to you guys, so that's why. If you're new here and you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button before you leave. I would appreciate it so much. But other than that, always leave your suggestions and video requests down in the comment section, and also add me on Instagram so we can chit chat there. I try to reply to as many people as I can all the time on my DMs. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and for always supporting me. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Deuces!